Every single day, you shed 500 million skin cells. I know, that's pretty gross. But all of those skin cells, as well as dust, hair, and anything else we leave behind, can contaminate your part during production. In the manufacturing industry, we refer to this as bioburden. Today, we're going to talk all about bioburden and teach you exactly what it is, what converters and manufacturers do to manage and mitigate it, and we'll even take you inside of our clean room to show you how Strauss helps mitigate bioburden in your process. Before we head into the clean room, there's one more thing we have to do, which is suit up in our gown room. I put on all of this protective gowning gear because each piece has a purpose. The hairnet helps keep stray hairs contained. The beard cover, the gown, and the shoe covers help mitigate the dust and little particles that we shed every single day. Every single one of these things is what contributes to what we call bioburden. Now, before we go into the clean room, let's talk about exactly what bioburden is. It's the biological contamination that is present on a product before it is sterilized. That can include skin cells, hair, bacteria, microorganisms, dirt, and other microscopic particles that are introduced during manufacturing. If bioburden is present in your finished part, it can lead to serious health risks. It could cause electronic parts to fail, or aesthetically, it could make your part fail if you're using something like an optically clear adhesive. Medical products are generally sterilized before they are used, but the less bioburden that you can have on those parts before you have to sterilize them helps reduce the cost and time associated with the sterilization. Now, what can happen if your part contains bioburden, but it isn't properly sterilized? Well, there was a case study in 2015 where a company that produced duodenoscopes, which were parts that had a plastic end cap that helped reduce infections. But upon use, these parts caused almost 300 infections and even one death because there was bioburden on this part. If your manufacturing process has the potential to create contamination, clean room manufacturing is probably something you should consider. Now that we're in the clean room, you can see that everything here is designed to minimize contamination. The air in here is filtered, the environment is controlled, and everyone that's working inside this clean room is following strict procedures. All of these controls work together to help reduce the amount of particulate contamination that could potentially reach a product. But here's something that people don't always think about. A clean room is only part of the solution. The way your product moves through its manufacturing process can have just as much impact on the amount of contamination in it as the environment that it's manufactured in. Imagine that your product has to be sent to one company for lamination, one company for die cutting, and one company for printing. Every single time that product is handled, processed, packaged, and shipped is another opportunity for potential contamination. Having so many different points at which this product is shipped and handled can also impact your lead time, the shipping costs, or even the amount of errors that are present in your part from all the different manufacturers. Instead of that part going from supplier A to supplier B to supplier C, we take all of those steps and we build it into one production process. So for example, your part might get slit, laminated, printed, and die cut, all in one controlled facility. Reducing the amount of different suppliers your product goes to and the amount of people that are handling it doesn't just help reduce bioburden, it's also going to make your product more feasible for repeatable manufacturing. It's one of those situations where improving the quality of your part can also improve the production's efficiency. Not every project requires a clean room, and not every product requires a one-pass manufacturing process. But when cleanliness is critical to your project, combining a controlled clean room environment with a simplified one-pass production can help reduce contamination. So these suits might not look the most fashionable, but they're an important part of protecting the products that we manufacture. And when you combine a clean room production facility with a one-pass process, you're not just reducing contamination, you're creating a repeatable, manufacturable, and efficient process for your part. If you're developing a part and you're looking to reduce contamination, simplify sterilization, or overall just streamline your product's process, we would love to chat with you more about that. Feel free to reach out to us directly, or as always, you can check out our Learning Center where we have tons of videos and articles on all things converting. Thanks for watching.